As FinTech sweeps through the trading world, it is clear that no segment will be left unchanged. TriOptima's Mireille Dyrberg, who spoke at IDX London 2015, shares her views on the innovation cycle, which technologies to keep an eye on, and the role of FinTech incubators, such as ICAP's Euclid Opportunities Program.
I think innovation is essentially about rethinking old problems and coming up with whole new ways of addressing them. So instead of just optimizing the way in which you go about doing something and improving operational processes for a broken process, rethink what you're trying to achieve. What is the problem you're solving for? And we saw this with the way we were able to change the approach to portfolio reconciliation. It was a reactionary exercise historically. It was all spreadsheet-based. There was a lot of emailing and calling around. And with trying to solve, we were able to shift how the market carries out this activity. So we made it proactive. We created a network community so everyone benefits from the work of the counterparty, and we optimize that space. And I think that's the type of innovation that the market is looking to now. Innovation can also be applying technology from a different industry to problems affecting the financial markets. TriCalculate uses massive parallelized computing and technology developed for the gaming industry and applies it to problems in the financial space so that the calculation of risk is done in a graphical manner. So you're able to process vast amounts of data in a very, very short period of time. There are a number of technology hubs. There's, of course, Silicon Valley on the West Coast. You have the area around MIT. You have another tech hub here in London near Old Street. And interestingly enough, Tel Aviv and Stockholm are also these hubs. And there's a lot of agility, but the best investments, I think, will be seen where larger companies invest early. And what we're seeing in the ICAP group is that that's been a very successful strategy. So ICAP invested in smaller shareholdings of Triana, of TriOptima, of Reset, and then increasingly over the years were able to increase their holdings to the point of full acquisition. And we're now doing work like that with the Euclid Opportunities vehicle, investing in highly innovative technological solutions and promoting their services to the market. I'm very excited about the blockchain. I think we should all ignore Bitcoin and focus on the blockchain and the protocol surrounding it. I think we'll see many things coming out of this space. Anything to do with a ledger, you can have smart script and smart code as part of the protocol where the contract terms are enshrined in the blockchain. I think that's the big innovation to watch out for. For me, a personal area of excitement is also the work that Duco is doing. Things like bank recs, Loro Nostro recs, FOBO reconciliations. I think providers like Duco offer very, very exciting things. And that's a company I would very much watch. The margining space needs an overhaul. And we are heavily involved in that. And I think that is an area that will change significantly over the next 18 months as regulation is implemented. It's not about how you improve something that's a little bit broken. It's about rethinking the whole process. And it starts with careful contemplation of what you're trying to solve for. Think about the problem, do your homework, focus on your areas of strength, and then develop to that market.